Hi everyone and good day. So I want to apologize because all of my pictures and the videos that I took last time are gone because my cell phone broke and can no longer be open. Yeah. So let's move on. And now we are here in my little garden. You'll see. Yeah, that's we will see what their improvements are. So. So now let's not waste any more time and come along with me to explore our latest growth. So as you can see, dako kay improvements na akong lansunis. Kay last na akong upload sa akong video is kuan pa siya seeds. And yeah, here she goes. And by the way, unom na siya kabuk. That's it. And yes, mao ni ang pangka pito nga tanom, which is akong mangga. Buyag na sad siya, dako sad siya improvement. And kini siya pangka-8 ni siya nga tanom, which is akong mangga. And yes, mao ni ang pangka-9 nga tanom, which is ang mangga gihapon. And lastly, akong papaya, very lusog and very pretty kay siya tanawon. Piyag.